Hello everybody and welcome back to another video. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to configure local pickup for orders in Odoo. So to configure the local pickup for the orders and this platform, you can create a delivery method that allows customers to collect their orders instead of using shipping couriers. So actually guys, first you will need to enable the delivery methods, and to do that you will need to open inventory. So that's model or app, and here you will need to go with the configuration option or tab that's located at the top bar, and then go with the settings. So here you will need to scroll to the shipping section and just go with the delivery methods, so you'll need to check mark it. And once finished, just go with save that's located at the top left corner. So now you'll need to create a local pickup delivery method, and to do that you will need to go and click on configuration at the top, and right then scroll to the delivery methods. So now you will need to go and click on the new here, and then you will need to configure the delivery method, the provider, the price, etc. Okay, so that's the delivery method. So you will need to set a name right here, the provider here, and the fixed price right here. So if you want to work with cash on delivery or COD, you will need to check mark this one. If you want to go with the free, if order amount is above, just go with that one. You can go and set up a tracking link here, the product, so you can choose the specific product from here, extra. Even you can add description and e-commerce. And once finished guys, you will need to go with save, right? So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching, and goodbye.